plus software designed specifically for heavy-duty repair, was forged in the mountains of Montana, not Silicon Valley. Developed in the heavy-duty industry for the heavy-duty industry to support specific heavy-duty mechanic needs. Building with you day by day, whenever you need us. No obstacle too big or small. Our staff of industry professionals is here to help you every day, knowing your concerns because they've lived them. Our staff and our software isn't built for the heavy-duty repair industry. They are the heavy-duty repair industry, forged over 40 years' time, improving and innovating for decades. No hidden fees, month-to-month contracts, and customizable users and features at will. Plus, software won't lock you in with legalities. We'll win you over with loyalty.